snap fitting is something like the simplest, quickest, and the most effective method we're going to be used over here in automotive plastic. The snap fitting is also going to be have the environment friendly, easy to recycle due to that, and definitely it will be cost saving because there is no slider lifter required and the same material is going to be have. When that we can say the inventory of the further fixation not required. So the ideal material is thermoplastic we're going to be have. So in this case, you can check we're going to be have the motion kind of this. So in this case, we required a cutout onto the A side, but yeah, we can get this particular coherent cavity removed over here. So this is the one option we have. Then another option, something like this we can have without having cutout onto the A side, cavity side. So when we have the aesthetic purpose, definitely we no need to have the cutout on class A. So how it's going to be work? So whatever the plastic we have, so that has some ability or property kind of flexibility. So this flexibility we're going to be used over here, and with respect to that, we can flex the part and lock at particular position desired location. Okay, so this is kind of the snap fit joint you can see. So there are some couple of parameters which are important here you can find. So this will be the TB. So this TB is something like we're going to be have some here. With respect to the TB, we can check. We have 5 times TB, then we have the 10 times TB, as well as we're going to be have the root thickness over here. So this is the yield we have. So overlap with respect to parts, we can keep something like this. Then we have width. So this is something like we're going to get the width of that particular snap. So the major two angles we have the locking angle and approach angle. Okay. So approach angle is something like when we're going to be insert this particular part. So this is nothing but the insertion angle we have. So something like this, we're going to be have the part. It's going to get locked over here. Okay. So this we're going to be hit or somewhere here on this particular slot, and with respect to that, it will be insert and get locked. So again, we're going to be the insertion as well as a locking angle. Like locking angle is something like with respect to this face to whatever we have the flat portion, so that we can check. And so here we're going to be have the locking of that particular snap with respect to slot we have. But this we can check. We're going to be have the slot in that it's going to be get locked. So the angle we require 45. So more often we're going to be use serviceable part, and that is not that much the force required to open. But this we can say it is very, very important. For more than 55, it will be the locking function we can give. And if we have the 80 to 90, this will be permanent kind of joint. So in this case, the snap will not be get removed at any time. So this will be fixed joint, and if you want to remove, it will be damaged either part, it will be damaged or the surrounding part. So again, the snap fitting we're going to be have kind of this. You can check. We can have something like this case. So in this area, we're going to get like here to here. You can check. We're going to be get that snapping. Here also we're going to be get a locking condition. Okay. So the resistance force, resultant force, what we require, depending upon that, we're going to be have this snap lock. So there are the different kind of the snap. We have the cantilever, then we have the L-shaped snap. So this snap is going to be easy to assemble the part, as well as we can check like easy to disassemble the part. So this type, just for the information, mostly we're going to be use the cantilever L-shape. We can have a different application. Again, we're going to be have the U-shaped snap. So this is again we're going to have the different applications. Then in this case, you can check like whatever we have the snap fit right now is used for grab handle. So that is non-visible portion. So we need to add over here and get fixed this